this is Jason, Soul Studios KO4 DDG ham radio. Welcome to the channel. If you like our content, remember to like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot. Okay, back down to the project here. Today we're going to work on a Vibroplex Mini. This is a smaller size of the iambic paddle. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to change this wire out. It's too big for my 891. So what I thought, I might change it out to this. That way it's easier to transport around, and all you need is a 3.5 millimeter on both sides to make it interface right. But first, we have to figure out this wire diagram because we got different color wires for these. So that's where the problem lies. Okay, this is a TRS, tip ring sleeve. So we're going to use our own meter here. This is a Innova 3320 meter. I'll probably link it. They sell it on Amazon. Pretty good meter, automatic. So we're going to write down on our piece of paper so we can keep track. Left, middle, right. Actually, we should write. Okay, so we got tip ring sleeve. We got two. So let's go with this orientation of the paddle here. Left, middle, right. We can just cross-reference these things once we figure out the colors. Alright, so we're going to put on the first one, the left side. It's going to be the tip. So left equals tip. Middle equals ring. So the right side is and then the right hand. Actually, I got that wrong, don't I? Middle equals ring. We'll get this right one of these days. And it's going to be the middle. Tip ring sleeve, And we got that right. Tip ring sleeve. Left is tip. Middle is going to be ring. And that's going to be, we're going to get it right one of these days. You know, this is all shooting from the hip, but we got it. So as long as I know what this stuff means. The left side's a tip, the middle is going to be the ring, so the center. I should write center here. And the right's the sleeve, so that's the end. Keep it simple, Jason, keep it simple. Now we're going to figure out what color these are. Hook up this. So for this one, this is the 1/4. Work on a 1/8. Left, middle, right. Alright, so we're going to designate, let's see, red. Red's going to be the tip. Tip, red. White is going to be, what do y'all think? Nothing? Middle. White is middle. Yeah, okay. And then the next color will be black. So of course black is going to be the end. Yep, there it goes. So that was black. All right, now we can take out the screws. do this. Let's get started. And you got the hot glue that comes right off. Well, that's not going to be, yeah, it might be long enough. We'll see. Put a little bit more extension into it. Take a little razor blade, cut the plastic a little bit, just very carefully. Cut up like that. Take your wire snippers, snip off the excess plastic. Should use my smaller snippers. These wires really small. There we go. Of course, I have to take this out because we used this kind of connector coming off from a slit. So the first one would be the left-hand side, which is the middle. Put it in there. These are insulated, so use the insulated side. Crunch, crunch, pull. Realize it didn't work. Might have to solder these. Yeah, that worked. Hit it at the bottom here. Nope, that didn't work. Gonna have to probably solder these on. Probably be the best bet. Go ahead and plug in our soldering iron to get it warmed up. This is that USB soldering iron I reviewed. Going all the way up to, let's see what we go, 710. All right, it's temperature now. Yep, that quick. Stick it in, get the wire exposed to that. Take your crimpers, secure it. Realize that didn't work. Forget this. Now the first one's on. Let's go ahead and just do all three because we know where we're going with this. This is not so bad. Just takes a little bit of time. And that's that. Gently tug on it, make sure it's secure without burning the heck out of your fingers. And they're all secure. Start the left one. Hold that. We're going to take this off actually. Mind your spacers. Get it lined up on the bottom. This is going to be your left, so it'll be red. Angle it towards the center here. That way you're not whacking on anything. Get it straight and just slowly tighten it up. The center is going to be white. Again, put your finger on here and undo the middle one. That fell on the floor. This happens once in a while. I think I need to get myself a bib. What do y'all think? If you watch my videos before, I'm always dropping stuff. Just angle it out of the way. And our last connection, of course, black. For some reason I got a bunch of washers on this one. I think I might have lost a spacer, that's why. Last time I changed these out, I lost a spacer. I had to make my own. No biggie. And angle that in towards the center. I might have to remove a washer. Too much spacer. There we go. Alright, there's that part done. Now, you want to find your hot glue gun. You just want to hot glue it so these don't slip out or anything. Now, where's my hot glue gun at? Anyway, got it somewhere around here. There she is. I'll do that some other time. This video hasn't been long enough. But that's how you rewire your CW key if you need to. And it looks like I just touched it on a soldering iron. You gotta be careful with these things. They get really hot, but I don't think it done anything. Anyway, this is Jason, KO4DDG. Farewell, y'all. 7-3. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Or catch you later. See ya. Bye.